Okay. 10 minutes meditation for your diabetes. Please sit comfort. Vajrasana or Padmasana or Sukhasana. Okay, I am sitting in Padmasana. You can sit in Sukhasana also. When you are eating the food, you can sit like that. Okay. During this meditation, please sit erect. Your back, neck, head should be straight. Do not move your physical body. Try to control physical body, then after automatically your mental body control under you. Okay. So, I am saying simple meditation. This is the Om meditation for Hindus, Allah meditation for Muslims, Yesu meditation for Christians, like that. Okay. Left hand down, right hand up, slightly touch your thumbs. Gently close your eyes. Now, repeat the Om within mind with speed movements. If you are Hindu, just repeat the Om. If you are Muslim, repeat the Allah. If you are Christian, repeat the Yesu. You are getting unnecessary thoughts, virus thoughts, your mind is distracted, turbulent, stress, anxiety, depression. You are getting unnecessary thoughts, then repeat the Om speed movements like this. Om, 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 like that for 1 minute. Within mind, not loud. When your mind is controlled through unnecessary thoughts, your mind is getting limited thoughts, then start the repetition. Inhale, say Om within mind. Exhale, say Om within mind. Please synchronize with your breath with your Om repetition. If you are Muslim, please substitute in the place of Om Allah. If you are Christian, in the place of Om Yesu. After exhalation, stop the breath few seconds, your comfort time. After completion of your energy, again inhale, say Om. Exhale, say Om. Then no need breath few seconds. Please continue up to 1 minute. Increase the gap period round by round. In the gap, no breath, no thoughts, no mind, no heartbeat, no lungs movement, kidneys, liver, pancreas, intestine, brain and mind functions. But we have no conscious to observe all these things, but easily to observe heartbeat. That's all. After exhalation, you stop the breath. No breath, no thoughts. No heartbeat, just you observe your heartbeat, that's all. Observe the relaxed and collapsed heartbeat. Slowly and gently increase the silence in all directions, spreading throughout your body. That means each and every part, each and every tissue, each and every cell is in deep silence. Don't forget inhalation and exhalation, repetition of Om. Please continue. In the gap period only, just you focus. Silence in your body. Slowly and gently expand your silence beyond our physical body limits. That means your surroundings also silence. Slowly and gently expand your silence. Increase the radius of your silence. Center is your body. Increase the radius of your silence. Kilometers, 1,000 kilometers. Now your silence is a ocean. Just you imagine, in the ocean total water is steady, but in front of you one smooth water wave coming forward. Slowly and gently that water wave merged into water. That means no water wave in the ocean. The total water is steady, silence. This is the eighth wonder. In the same way, coming to the mind. Your mind is in ocean of silence, but Om repetition is smooth and slow movement. Now slowly and gently merge your Om into silence. This means no Om repetition. This is the state of Ajapa. Enjoy with ocean of silence. No mind state. Man is is equal to mind plus God. Bring your mind left side. Man minus mind is equal to God. You remove the mind from you. You are only God. This is the state of Samadhi. Enjoy with ocean of silence. This is the state of happiness, creativity, innovative, enjoyful and blissful state of the mind. Enjoy with ocean of silence. Finally, resolve one positive thought. I did so many exercises, so many asanas, pranayama, which are related to my disease. By doing all these exercises, asanas, pranayama, my pancreas should be stimulated. So my pancreas releasing insulin in proper way. Therefore, it's tremendously reducing the sugar levels in my blood level. Therefore, I am free from diabetes. Repeat 9 rounds with full of faith. Slowly and gently stop the practice. Release your hands, rub your palms, speed up, 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 speed up. Give a nice massage to your face muscles and also neck muscles. With few blinkings and gently open the eyes. Hari Om. Thank you. Have a nice day.